All right, everyone, thank you for coming back. This is video number 4. And what we're going to do on video number 4 is we are going to actually create our bar charts for our dashboard. So in the previous video, we created a pivot table and then we copied the pivot table to create the data points for our bar chart. Now we are going to create the bar chart. So we're going to highlight in the same spreadsheet where the data is located. We're going to click on data, and then sometimes I'm sorry, we're going to click on insert. And sometimes I'll click on recommended charts just to see what it comes up with. Sometimes I pick these, sometimes I don't. It just really depends. Okay, so we want to make sure that they're in numerical order. And so we're going to go with the bar chart suggestion here. I'm just going to make it a little bit larger. And so what we have is our average NO2 over a period of time. And not a bad bar chart. Sometimes I'll make the bars different heights. So just based on looking at this, we can see that the lowest month of NO2 was approximately April. The highest month is October. So what we're going to do to make sure that we're reading the actual value is we're going to highlight the bar chart by left clicking. We're going to right click to select add data labels. And what you see here are now the values of the average for each month. Now, the next thing I want to do is I'm going to increase the font because it's a little small. So I'll increase the font. Let's do 12. And let's also bold that just so it's easier to read. So we'll go to bold, and basically what I did was just right click on the value, and then I'm given a selection menu of what to choose from. Now, still not quite as legible as I would like it to be. So what we'll do here is we will highlight the x-axis by left clicking. We're going to click font again. We're going to go again and make it bold, and we're going to make the size 12. Alrighty, and so now we have our bar chart. Now this is just some other things that I'll do. Like I don't particularly care for the lines in the graph. So I'll, play around a little bit with some of the features of the bar chart. I double clicked on it. Don't want any lines. We'll leave it there. And I might make it a little wider. Okay, so one of the things you can do, you can change the color of the bars if you like. There's a lot of different adjustments that you can make here. I'm going to leave it like this for now. We have our average NO2. Now we want to make sure that our title though reflects the information that we're presenting. It's really important in data visualization that when you're creating charts, especially that they reflect the information. So this isn't just average NO2. It's average NO2 for 2024, and then we'll just say Birmingham, Alabama. Let's just say Hoover, because it was Birmingham and Hoover, Alabama. All right. So now we have our properly labeled bar chart. All right. So this is it for video number 4. In our next video, we're going to actually put together a dashboard. See you in the next video.